and advocating for the benefits of physical activity and inclusion for everybody. Our next panelist has been a para-athlete for over 2 decades, competing in wheelchair basketball and para-hockey internationally, having played on Team Canada for para-hockey and won 2 silver medals at the 2022 and 2023 Women's Para-Hockey World Challenge. Please welcome Claire Buchanan. Our next panelist is the Executive Director of Ontario Para Network and Ontario Wheelchair Sports, Doug Hannum. Doug has a wealth of experience in the adaptive sports area. Having cerebral palsy himself has given him further insight into the needs of athletes and individuals living with a disability. His role at On Para has allowed him to share his voice even more within the community. So welcome, Doug. Our next panelist is a 2-time world medalist and Paralympian, Marissa Papakonstantinou. Being born without her right foot, this never stopped Marissa. Competing in her first Para-Athletics World Champions at just the age of 16 years old, and went on to win the bronze at the Tokyo Paralympic Games, and once again took bronze at the T64-100 and T64-200 at the 2023 World Para-Athletic Championship. So welcome, Marissa. And our final panelist, who we just met on stage with Cristiano, is renowned cinematographer Marco Pontecorvo, whose impressive portfolio includes Game of Thrones and the incredible movie that we're about to see tonight, A Muso Duro. So with that, I invite Cristiano back on stage to moderate tonight's panel. Thank you.
Thank you, Natalie. We start from Marissa. We request to tell us a bit more about your background. What was the defining moment or series of events that lead you to choose athletics?